Saturday morning, everyone. And most of us may be, you know, doing our normal routine. Some of us may be working. Some of us may be looking for ideas. But whatever we are doing, I've just wanted to share this on a Saturday morning because this came to my mind on Saturday morning. Um, I often get this question: how do you grow your community? How do you grow your community? So I just want to share a little piece of my story so far, because it's still evolving, right? My story is still evolving. As a project manager, we have to manage many different types of projects. So I'll get this question from students. I'll get this question from different project managers. I'll get this question for people who want to get into project management. How do you grow your community? How do you learn from your community? As a project manager, this is something that we need to do more of. You write down on a piece of paper, type up on the computer, whatever you want to do, the persons who are like your go-to for any type of information. I mean, we all need assistance. We all need help at times. We don't know it all. So who do you go to? Now, in my community, as a PM, I have to analyze very carefully. There may be projects that I am not the subject matter expert in, but I am the subject matter in the PM governance framework, yes, and how to get the job done from beginning to end and understand the project as a success, and how it will be a success rather. But in terms of the technical, sometimes on certain types of projects, I'm definitely not. I'm not the subject matter in there. So to understand what you are doing, you need to have people to talk to. So in my community, for project management, I analyze the different types of projects. It may be tech, it may be oil and gas, it may be education curriculum, it may be administrative management, business, or you name it, different types of projects. And for each one of these projects, I put on the side names of persons that I can call up, and we have a little chit chat about it. So definitely subject matter experts for different types of projects will be part of my community. Two, do not underestimate who again should be part of your community, meaning that it should only be the subject matter expert. In your circle of friends or family, sometimes you need to bounce off an idea of them as well. So have certain persons in your community as well who will not be a subject matter expert, but it could be anybody just to bounce off ideas with, and who probably may listen and give you back an idea and contribute to the conversation. It doesn't have to be, we say, the highest level, it could be anyone. So you have to determine who they are. So that's my second point, my second part of the community. This is how I'm building my network, right? And third point for me would be your work persons, right? Work persons. And work persons may be at the same middle management that you are, probably project management if I'm trying to build my PM community. Other project managers, let me just call them up and chat with them. They may not be the subject matter expert, but they may be, say, middle management. So middle management you may look at. Those are persons that you can just bounce off ideas on. So again, everyone, we need to continue to build our network. We need to continue to build our online community and our offline community, because when we are doing this, we are not only doing this with, if you're living in Trinidad and Tobago, you are only looking at Trinidad and Tobago as your community to grow your network. No. So I brought up 3 points there, right? And of course, we'll do more in how you can grow your community. One, analyze the different subject matter experts for your projects. Write it down, all the different types and who you can go to when you need to have these type of conversations. Believe you me, you need it, right? I need it. So I have a list, I have a long list. 2 would be family and friends. Don't think that They may not know your subject matter and you can't bounce off ideas of them. And three, for me again, would be persons, middle management, same level as we say, same level as we say. So for now, I have three categories in how I am building my community to grow me as a project management practitioner. And of course, other things as well, right? We need to, analyze this thing very carefully and know who to put in your network and how to grow it. Of course, this is going to evolve, and as we go and come again with different types of information, I'll share again how your community needs to grow. Thanks again, everybody. Keep on learning, keep on growing. Enjoy the rest of this Saturday.